Hey there, welcome to today. Today we're going to fix a problem that comes up with iPhone screens. Or really, it's not a problem. I feel like iPhones have their own colors. So, in this case, I switched to this iPhone 11 Pro Max. But I used to have a Samsung Galaxy S Plus. And on that phone, the whites were really blue. I got used to seeing whites as very blue, and then on this phone, I saw the white as very yellow. Well, in this case, I exaggerated it so you could see how the iPhone screen can look because a lot of people say that Apple does this to reduce eye strain and all that. So if you like seeing your phone like that, that's your problem. But I really don't like seeing it so yellow. So to fix this, because I don't really consider it a mistake, we're just going to go to settings. I already had this open, so let's go to where it says display and brightness. If you have it in Spanish from Spain or another type of Spanish, it should show something similar like display and brightness level or something like that, but it should be similar. Here, we're going to turn off True Tone. That's the first step. Then we go to Night Shift, and if it's activated, we turn it off. This slider here, we move it to the left. Once we're here, as you can see, the icons are already white. Everything looks super white, but we can make it even whiter, or well, bluish white, because I like to call it that way. So to do this, we go back to settings, and instead of going to display and brightness, we're going to go to accessibility. Once here, we click on display and text size. Once here, we scroll all the way down, and where it says color filters, we activate it. As we see, now we scroll down a bit more and set this option to apply tint. We set the hue to about where the blue pencil is, almost reaching purple, and we set the intensity to 0. It would look like this. I love how it looks now. It's like a super light white, and we shouldn't activate or change anything else. We just leave this setting, and the phone will have some super cool colors, as we can see on the screen. So, I hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye bye.